everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica of the blog Miss More Style. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I make videos on my channel about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. So if any of those things sound like something you're interested in, you probably want to go and hit that red subscribe button and ding the notification bell to join my little fam here on YouTube, because I upload about 2 to 3 times a week in all of those topics. So today I am filming a little impromptu video. I got my November Ipsy Bag Plus and my November Ipsy Bag in the mail yesterday, and it was a bit sooner than I expected them to get here, but here they are. So I want to go ahead and film an unboxing of this for you all. I am part of Ipsy Open Studios. I do receive Ipsy in PR in exchange for creating content for them. So I just wanted to give you all that little disclaimer. Ipsy does not pay me for this. Sorry for the state of my hands in advance. I nervously popped off all my press-on nails last night while I was watching the election returns. So that's where we're at today. Let's distract ourselves from that for a bit and see what is in the Ipsy Bag and the Ipsy Bag Plus this month. So here is the box. This month, it says discover yourself. Actually, I'm not sure if it says that every month. This is really my second month doing an Ipsy unboxing. So if it says that every month, whatever. This month, they did a little bit better job of like separating the regular Ipsy bag from the Ipsy Bag Plus. Last month, it was kind of all like thrown in the box and I really didn't know what was what. Also did not give me any literature on this whatsoever yet again. So fun time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started with the little Ipsy bag, the regular one. This is what it looks like this month. So it's just this very simple color blocking situation. Not my favorite one ever, to be honest. The one last month was rad, but this one, Those of you who are new to Ipsy, the Ipsy bag, their basic subscription, and it is $12 a month. You get 5 beauty products a month. They're typically like sample sized. So that's what this one is. And let's just go ahead and get in here and check out what they've got. So the first one in here is from Glow Recipe, and it is their Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Let's see what it smells like. Banana souffle. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh my God. I am kind of out of like a nighttime moisturizer at the moment, so maybe I'll give this a try. I usually save little things like this to put in my like travel bag. So I have like a huge, well, it is huge now, but it didn't start out huge. Anyway, I have a bag in my bathroom where I keep like travel sized things like this, like travel sized moisturizers, cleansers, toners, like literally anytime I get something travel size, I save it so that when I travel, I have travel size things to take with me. And so this is probably where that's going to end up. But it smells so good, actually. Next thing in here is from Tarte, from I guess their Sugar Rush. I'm just going to tell you all, I'm not like a beauty guru, so like I'm not gonna be like an expert when I talk about these products. I'm just like a girl who likes beauty products and is unboxing her Ipsy, so I hope that's okay with you. Here we have the packaging of this lip gloss. It's really cool. It's got this like rubber situation around it. And the color is Fresh Peached. If it smells like peach, I'm going to be so excited. Oh my God. Sniffing lip gloss, is that a thing? Oh my God, it smells so good. So it's a vegan lip oil. I've never tried a lip oil before. I'm going to try it on right now because I have on my Beso from Stila, my Stay All Day Beso. This is like my favorite red lipstick ever. And I feel like if I put this on my lips over the top of this matte lipstick, it's just going to bring it right off, but it goes on super clear, and I think my light's a little bit bright to show you, but it goes on really, really clear, and I don't know, I'll be interested to try this. I haven't honestly really been using lip products of almost any sort in the last, I don't know, 8 months because of a little thing called a face mask. Lip stuff just gets all in the face mask, it gets all over your face, and like no one sees your mouth anyway, so what's the point? I have so many lipsticks that are just like sitting there like, hello. Maybe it'll be good as like sort of a lip balm type of situation when I'm at home. Like maybe it's just like very hydrating feeling. I don't know. If you guys want to know about like my thoughts on these types of things as I try them out in my real life, make sure that you go follow me on my Instagram, because usually I'll pop on my stories and talk about certain beauty products, whether or not like I have strong feelings about them, like either in the like or the dislike category. But my Instagram stories is typically where I sort of discuss things like this, like products. You guys get what I'm saying. I can literally barely function today. Next up, we have Ico London Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in Beatnik Black. There's the little packaging. This is a very small little mascara, but let's see what the wand looks like because that's usually my little test. And this looks like a wand I could be into. Like thicker on the top and gets skinnier in the middle. This looks interesting. I'm always looking to try new mascaras because I've never really found one mascara that I love so much. So if you guys have a mascara that you swear by, comment in the comment section and let me know because I'm still on the lookout, on the hunt for that perfect mascara. The perfect one. Does it exist? I don't know. You tell me down there. Next up, we have from Tatcha, which is exciting because I've actually never tried anything from Tatcha before and I've really always wanted to. I just have not ever really gotten around to it. The Deep Cleanse, and it's a clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. So directions: you apply to wet face, avoid the eyes, and rinse. I mean, it's a cleanser. It's not rocket science. I like to sniff things. Have you guys figured that out about me yet? It smells really nice, actually. This, again, is like a great little travel cleanser, so I will probably stick this in my travel stuff so I can use it when the next time is that I travel, which hopefully is soon. Last item in here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's a lip gloss. Oh, come on with the lip glosses. This is not what life is these days. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is in this color Moon Jelly, and it is extremely iridescent. Really pretty. It looks like it has like flecks of like silver and like purple in there. It looks really pretty. It's like basically just a clear sparkly lip gloss that has like a little bit of like a purple shift to it. So I'll probably never use this, to be honest, because I don't really even wear lip gloss. Even before we had to wear face masks, I never really wore it, mostly because my husband, if he sees anything like that's glistening or like shiny on my lips, then he knows that's gonna get on him if I kiss him, so he will not let me anywhere near him. So I have learned to use matte liquid lips that don't transfer. That way I can still rock bold, colorful lips without making my husband run away from me in fear. So yeah, I just don't really tend to wear lip glosses anymore, but maybe for a fun look in the future, that could be cool. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna get into the Glam Bag Plus. So the difference between this one and the regular Glam Bag is that this one is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products rather than 5 sample-size products for $12 in the Ipsy Glam Bag. So to me, I think it's a little bit worth the extra $12 or so that you're spending because I tend to not really like travel size things because I already have so many of them and I use them for travel, and I don't know, I just don't ever use them in real life because especially with things like skincare and other, like mostly with skincare, I would say like travel size stuff, I would rather just like go through the stuff that I'm using, like my regular things, than try like a travel size of something for a week. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay. So anyway, we're going to get into the Glam Bag. Like I said, I get this in PR, so I don't get to like make choices or anything. I think like people do if they subscribe to it. There's like certain things you can choose. So anyway, let's just get into it. So the first thing that I'm seeing in here is a set of brushes from Farah. So there's 2 things in here from Farah. So I'm going to go ahead and just open this up. Really nice. They're just like this kind of like silver metal handle with the brushes up here. So these are all eyeshadow brushes, which, to be honest, I'm not going to turn down an eyeshadow brush. The more the merrier, because the more you have, the less you have to clean the ones that you have. I'm the worst at cleaning my makeup brushes, so I'm always down to get new brushes because then that means I don't have to wash my old ones as soon. Does that make sense? I'm not seeing anything in here about these brushes, so I don't know if this is like an extra thing that they included for the Open Studio people. So if you are a regular subscriber of the Glam Bag Plus and you got these, let me know in the comments down below. I'm really sorry. I cannot find the like value of these. I wish they would just give me this information, but they do seem like a really nice pair or set of brushes. I'm excited to use them out. From Farah, we got Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigment. So it's a lipstick line with the busy modern woman in mind. Our liquid lipstick packaging is square shaped, so your lipsticks will stay put when you set them down. Smart. No more chasing runaway lipsticks. So it comes in this nice, fun little packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and bust this open. 3. And I was just telling you guys how much more I love matte liquid lipsticks than regular. So There's these 3 colors, and to be honest, from the boxes, the colors look mostly pretty similar to each other, so I'm just going to pop them out and swatch them on my hand. Oh my god. The thing that makes me so frustrated is how hard it is to open up makeup packaging sometimes. Why? Brutally cutting into this because I just don't have the patience today. The first one, this is Farrah, and I'm just gonna swatch that for you all. Farrah. One is Cocoa. Oh, this one's a lot more nude looking than it looks on its packaging. Oh, it's not nude at all, but it is really pretty, like a little bit more neutral, more of like a brown toned red. The last one we have is Miss Tiffany here. What's she like? This one's even more of like a nudie looking color. This one has a little bit more like rosy, this is more of like a dusty rose color, I would classify it. Is Tiffany. I like the colors. I wish I hadn't put on lipstick before this, but c'est la vie. I got really excited about my new base, so. The item in here is from Tristique, and it is their Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara. You're getting some mascara from Tristique. I've never tried mascara from them before. I've tried their lip products and cheek products, but never a mascara. So here is the crazy packaging. This thing is like really big, and you pop this. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's like a lash curler up in here, and you just, yeah, I guess I don't think I could fit all of my eyelashes in this thing though. It's like not, it's not big enough. It's interesting though. I mean, props to them for doing something different, right? Here's the mascara aspect of this. Okay, so you untwist it and it pops right out. There we go. So here is the mascara. I like the wand. Sometimes when I look at mascara wands, I can know right off the bat that I'm not going to like that mascara based on its wand, but I think that one looks good to me. This is very interesting. I've never seen anybody do something like this where they have like the eyelash curler built into the mascara. Wow. Okay. That's going to be something interesting to try. Again, I don't feel like it's big enough. Like most eyelash curlers can fit your whole lash in there, and I think that's preferable, but I guess in a bind, if you're like out and about, this could be a cool thing to have on hand because it's less stuff in your purse. Got another brush up in here. This one looks like a face brush, and this is from MOTD, I'm guessing. A Perfect 10 is what this brush is called. Really beautiful. The bristles feel really soft. Not really sure what kind of brush this is. Let's look it up. MOTD. Okay, so this brush retails for $22. And a smooth and flawless complexion, look no further than a Perfect 10 by MOTD. This tapered face brush is designed to apply, blend, and buff loose or pressed foundations and powders. Its fluffy, tapered bristles also make it ideal for applying blush, bronzer, powder, contour, and everything in between. So it's antibacterial and hypoallergenic. You can use it with cream, powder, and liquid formulas. It is vegan and cruelty-free. Seems like a nice face brush. Again, you all know how I feel about new brushes. The more brushes I have, the less I have to wash my brushes. Score. Didn't show you guys what the Glam Bag Plus looks like. It's this guy. It's a drawstring. It basically looks like the other one, but it's a drawstring. Okay? Cool. Great. Stop. Is a Violet Voss palette, and I'm so excited because I've actually never tried anything from Violet Voss, and I've always wanted to. So I'm just going to bust this open and maybe swatch it for you guys really fast because as you can see, I already have eye makeup on. I'm really sorry about that. I should have thought before I filmed this video and like done an eye look with this perhaps. So I'm sorry if that's a disappointment. Let me know if you like prefer when people like put on the things in their Ipsy baggings, or if you prefer them to, just show it. So right off the bat, this is a, not really called anything I guess, but it's a 6 shadow palette. Here are the shades, and this shade is not coming off on camera, but in real life, this shade, it's called Coral Pop. It is like neon coral, and I am here for that. I'm really into this color story so far because I like more warm colored palettes, like more orangey tones. I feel like for me that makes me look alive. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch them on the back of my hand and show you what they all look like. See what this Coral Pop looks like. Oh my Lord Jesus. Whoa. But I'm just gonna try to do these in like one pass. Running out of fingers. Teddy is kind of like weak sauce, but okay. Latte. Okay, so those colors, they're really stunning. I think the payoff is really nice. I've never tried a Violet Voss formula before, so if you guys are familiar with her or if you've used her stuff before, let me know in the comments what you think about Violet Voss. I'm really excited to give this a try. I'm really excited to play with that bright coral. Where was I? My battery died, so I'm back. I think I only have one more item left to show you, and it is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. So it conditions and restores. So it has milk proteins with jojoba and avocado oils to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. So the back of it says, growing with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish the skin. So you can use this morning and evening, and it's even safe to use with more sensitive skin. So for those of you who have more sensitive skin, I love Kate Somerville's products. She has like a spa here in LA, and I've been a couple times, and it is amazing. But here is the packaging. It is quite lovely, this little lavender packaging. Of course, you know I'm going to smell it. Doesn't smell bad, kind of doesn't smell like anything, to be honest, but that's fine. This stuff I'm definitely going to use because it's like more of a full-size product, and like I said earlier, I'm out of a nighttime moisturizer, so I may just go ahead and use this. So like I said, if you want to know sort of on the fly, like when I randomly have used products like enough times to have an opinion on it, I'll usually share those thoughts and feelings on my Instagram stories. So again, please go follow my Instagram because there's other fun reasons for you to follow it as well, like fun outfit posts and things like that. So my handle and all my other social medias are down below if you guys want to go check those out. That concludes my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing for November. Let me know what you guys thought about this month's box or bags or whatever the hell you want to call it. If you are a subscriber yourself, did you get different things than I did? And how do you feel about the things that you got? I always love to know what other people think about beauty products, especially before I start using them, so I like kind of know what to anticipate. If you subscribe to a different subscription box that you think is better than this one, also let me know because I might be down to try it. And yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out a couple more videos on the channel, and I will see you all on the next one. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.